my collection! My bride, my precious! Oh no! Somebody let the animal out of the cage! There shouldn't be any animals in my pit stop!
Come here, Ginger. He just wanted to go for a walk. He didn't know about your exhibition.
Sue, my cars are ready for the race! But I polished them so much that it's a pity to let them out on a track. They can crash!
But these are cars. They should race. Let me make a safe track for you.
Yes, and don't let Ginger there!
Then ready, set, go! Hi guys! Today we're gonna make a real cardboard track for our toy cars. Let's not waste time and start assembling this cool thingy. I glued 2 wooden sticks together and made a piece like this.
Wow, you started the craft so fast, just like a Formula 1 bolide.
Wow, Sammy. Today's theme kinda obliges us to work at the highest speed.
Oh, so I'm gonna jump into my decorator car. Be right back.
All right, Sammy. Careful on the turns. And now I'm gluing a small but very important detail for our craft.
So, here's the first piece from me.
Good job, Sammy, just in time. Let's insert our piece into this cardboard one, in which Sam's made a special slot.
So it looks like a bowling lane. We can set pins in play. Obviously, I'm gonna win.
Sam, I remember once you slipped playing bowling and flew towards the pins instead of the ball. Think twice. And you guys, remember to be careful working with the hot glue. Let's add another piece. Soon, this will become a launching mechanism.
Ta-da! Here's the second batch from the cardboard master.
Oh, Sammy, you're the quickest. You even made skewed edges. Absolutely right. Since you did a good job, we can use some magic. Hop. Voila! Now let's pull all the pieces together. Our track is shaping little by little. Sammy, look! All the sides are glued. We can move on to the wooden mechanism.
In the meantime, I'm gonna make another piece. Vroom, vroom.
Go on, Sammy. We've gained a good speed on our cardboard track. Let's set a fastener like this here. It's a very important piece of our mechanism. Now we'll need a wire. We'll put a rubber band through this hole with its help. The wire has a tiny hook at the end that can grab the band. Pull the rubber band out, carefully there. And now let's loop both ends of the rubber band onto the wooden piece.
Awesome job, Sue. Crafting made you a fine motor skill guru. Sue, I've got it. Let's continue.
Perfect, Sammy. That's almost your record speed.
I am my top speed today, Sue.
Well, top speed's good, but don't forget about quality too, Sammy. Look, I'm carefully securing your piece here.
Well, sometimes I can do things both quickly and with quality.
So you think I can't do it?
So, it's just that today I'm playing a racer, okay?
Oh, well, I bet I can glue this piece in 3 seconds. Look away.
1, 2, 3. Well,
here, take a look. Everything is glued. I only need to pull the rubber bands.
Interesting. And then what?
I'll show you now. See? This piece is blocking the launcher. Once you push it, whoosh, the rubber bands shoot out.
Cool.
I've also prepared these 2 walls.
Yeah, no one's ever lost racer status so fast. At least I'm the bestest.
The launching mechanism is ready. It's time to make parts of our track. We'll start with the first loop and some fun facts from Sam.
The first loop was performed by a pilot in 1913. Almost 100 years later, it was performed in car racing. A Chinese racer looped the loop in a car, setting a Guinness World Record. Just a few people can do this trick, so let's leave it to the toy track racers.
Oh, Sammy, what an exciting story! By the way, in the meantime, I finished gluing that very loop.
You'd better say top-class performance. That's a real compliment.
Let's connect the 2 main parts into one track.
The track is coming out great! I bet Ginger would be scared to approach it.
Sammy, that's not all. You're gonna be amazed even more now. What do you say about this part of our track?
Cool. Protect it. Quick.
Well, since you're asking. Ta-da! All done.
Done? And the decor?
Oops! Right you are, Sammy. Give them to me. Let's start with this sticker. This will be the name of our track.
Yeah, I thought our track should have a powerful and formidable name.
We'll put this label at the start. It will help everyone understand what to do. Even Ginger can figure it out.
So, can we do it without Ginger? He can follow us later. Don't get me wrong, I'm not greedy. We should just try it first to see if it works.
Fine, here comes the finishing touch. Hop. And hop. Great stickers, Sam. Really helpful. There, I guess it's all done.
The truck is done, and what about my cars? We need to protect them from Ginger.
Don't worry, I've got an idea. Here's the first set of pieces.
These round thingies don't look like an alarm system.
I cut the circles out of cardboard, glued them together by 2, and covered with cardboard on the sides. These are the pieces we've got. As you can see, it's not an alarm, it's something cooler. We're going to make a safe garage for your cars really quick. We'll even reach the record speed for this. This is the base of the safe, Sammy. Are you stuck?
I'm still under the impression of the term safe garage. Is it a huge safe where you can keep cars?
It's not huge in our case. I mean, our cars are tiny. Guys, don't forget to be careful working with sharp tools.
So it's almost like at Batman's lair, top-level security.
Of course, it's Sammy's car fleet after all. Apply the glue to this piece. Be very careful, guys. And attach this small piece to it. Now we turn it over. Done! Let's repeat it 3 more times. Hop, and hop, and hop. Ta-da!
So, I cut out these pieces with 2 holes. Do we need them to peek inside the garage?
We need them for our super secret locks. Let's insert them into these holes. Make sure that the circles stay in this position while you assemble the craft. We need to memorize the numbers.
Aha! Memorize the numbers. Okay.
Let's secure them with glue to make the system safe. We need to do it like this.
Are we going to open the door using a combination of numbers like in spy movies?
Exactly, Sammy. And here they are. And now, stop!
Why stop? Is anything wrong?
No, nothing's wrong. Stop motion's going to help us now. Guys, look! Here we'll have a door.
And don't forget the roof.
Sure, we can't do without it. Check it out. This part of the wall is flexible. Later, you'll see why we need this.
I'm so excited! By the way, I'm done too!
Since you did a great job, here's some more magic. Whoosh!
I can do magic too! Check out the parking grid I made for my supercars!
Awesome, Sammy. Let's put the grid into the garage. It must fit perfectly and sit tight inside.
Everything is perfect, I assure you.
Done! It's time to fill the garage.
Here are my cars! Please be careful with them.
Of course, Sammy, don't worry.
My treasure!
Let's finally open it.
Let the race begin, Sue!
I can't wait to see how it works too! So, let's place it on the start. And…
Let's go! So it's awesome! We have to test all the cars!
Sure, Sammy. Guys, try making your own Hot Wheels launcher to play with your cars.
Also try giving a thumbs up and hitting the bell button in 1 second like a true racer!
Thank you for watching this video. We're gonna continue the race.
Let's put this car here. Okay, who's gonna launch it?
Oh!
Well, if you don't want to, I'll do it.
I think it's time to do a real competition, guys. Bye-bye!